Join me as I take on the challenge of turning Africa's opportunities into wealth by 2025. Can I do it? Africa is a continent that's bursting with opportunities, and I'm excited to dive into the ways we can turn these opportunities into wealth by 2025. With its vast natural resources, growing population, and increasing economic potential, Africa is poised to become a hub for investment and growth. And as investors, entrepreneurs, and individuals, we need to start taking advantage of these opportunities to create wealth not just for ourselves, but for the continent as a whole. Corruption, poor governance, and lack of infrastructure are just a few of the challenges that have hindered Africa's economic growth and held it back from reaching its full potential. The lack of access to quality education and technology has also limited the continent's ability to compete with other regions. Moreover, political instability and conflict have led to a decline in investor confidence, further exacerbating the problem. As a result, many African countries still struggle with high poverty rates, low economic growth, and limited access to basic services like healthcare and sanitation. But despite these challenges, Africa remains a continent of immense opportunity. The lack of infrastructure, for instance, presents a chance for innovative solutions and investments in areas like renewable energy and technology. The continent's vast natural resources, including oil, gas, and minerals, are another area ripe for investment and growth. And let's not forget the growing demographics. With over 60% of the population under the age of 25, Africa has a youthful, dynamic workforce that's ready to drive economic growth. Technology is another sector that holds immense promise for Africa. With the rise of fintech, mobile payments, and e-commerce, African countries are leapfrogging traditional banking systems and adopting digital solutions that are increasing financial inclusion and access to services. Agriculture is another area that's ripe for growth, as Africa has the potential to become the world's breadbasket, with its vast arable land and favorable climate. And with the global shift towards renewable energy, Africa is well positioned to become a hub for clean energy production and export. One initiative that's exemplifying the potential of Africa is the African Continental Free Trade Area, or AFCFTA. This game-changing agreement aims to create a single market for goods and services across the continent, increasing trade, investment, and economic growth. It's a testament to the power of collaborative effort and innovative thinking, and I believe it has the potential to be a major driver of growth and wealth creation in Africa. Take, for example, the story of Rwanda's transformation from a war-torn country to a thriving economy. With visionary leadership and strategic investments in areas like technology and infrastructure, Rwanda has become a model for economic development in Africa. It's a shining example of what's possible when we come together to turn opportunities into wealth. As we've seen, Africa is a continent that's full of opportunities waiting to be seized. With the right investments, strategies, and partnerships, I believe we can turn these opportunities into wealth by 2025. It won't be easy, but I'm excited to take on the challenge and explore the exciting possibilities that Africa has to offer. So what do you think? What are some of the opportunities you see in Africa, and how do you think we can turn them into wealth? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and if you're interested in learning more about investment strategies in emerging markets, be sure to check out our next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.